Say goodbye to slaving over a hot stove. Today, we're sharing 10 no-cook side dishes that are perfect for warm weather. From creamy and cool pasta salads to fresh and crunchy veggie dishes, these recipes will be your new go-to for backyard barbecues and picnics in the park. First up, a vibrant and tangy watermelon feta salad. The sweetness of the watermelon pairs perfectly with the saltiness of the feta, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze takes it over the top. Next, a refreshing cucumber and avocado salad. This dish is packed with healthy fats and fiber, and the cooling cucumber is sure to hit the spot on a hot day. For a protein-packed option, try a chickpea salad with lemon and herbs. This dish is easy to make in large batches, making it a great choice for feeding a crowd. And for a sweet and satisfying side, try a grilled peach and burrata salad. The smoky flavor of the grilled peaches pairs perfectly with the creamy burrata, and a drizzle of honey brings it all together. These are just a few of the no-cook side dishes we'll be sharing in this video. So grab a plate and get ready to enjoy delicious, easy-to-make dishes without breaking a sweat. Let's get started. For more tips, subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you.